Yo. Hello. This is not a chair stream. Welcome in, Steffi, Bad Cop. Congratulations, by the way, Bad Cop. You were indeed officially first, which is great. I also have a new effects. But not sure if I should use it. Steffi, congratulations on being not first. I assume you have redeemed it by now. I have to check one thing. Why doesn't this work? Maybe there's like a... Oh! Hello. Welcome in, chat. No one wants to be not first. It's true. But there's also no one here, you know. There's also no one here. No one really actually watches my streams. I'm convinced that Twitch just gives you a random view count because they just want you to believe that people are watching, so you don't talk to 0 viewers. Twitch has like a randomizer between 0 and 5, and they just tell you that someone's there, even though a lot of the time I think nobody's there. That's my hot take this week. Bad Cop is just a chatbot. Beep boop. Answer me this, Bad Cop. If you're a bot, what is your favorite type of breakfast cereal? Now, if Bad Cop is a bot, they won't be able to answer that because they don't have preferences. I can't answer that, I am a bot. See? It's proof. It's all the proof we needed. It would be unethical. Oh no. Do you have like a sponsorship from like Big Cereal or something? Big Breakfast? These are the secrets that Big Breakfast doesn't want you to know. What a YouTube video. Can you imagine? Made a video about Big Breakfast, and now I'm missing, presumed dead since 2 months. Kellogg's official chatbot. I think you should build a chatbot for companies, Bad Cop. You should just build chatbots for companies, and then just gift it to them. You know, as a gift. Just gift it to them. Just give it away for free. Hi, Cypher. It's very good to see you. I love giving gifts to corporations. Yeah, exactly. Every time you subscribe on Twitch, you're also gifting Amazon money. That's why it's better to support on Patreon, because then you give Patreon money instead, but less. I hope you all had a good weekend. I had a very chill weekend. I'll say that. I did not do a lot this weekend. Although I did film a YouTube short, which is unusual because I normally don't film YouTube shorts. Yeah, I produced a small YouTube short about my busy light. I don't know if any of you know that, but
like and subscribe. Bye.
I came up with an idea for a very low budget busy light. You know, like if you work at home and you share a household with others, which most of us do, then maybe that's something for you. Speaking of which. And so I made a short recording of that, I edited that, and I spent the rest of the time playing Helldivers and relaxing. I slept in a lot. So yeah. Why do we have... I don't know why we have lyrics in this track. There shouldn't be lyrics. So today is the first time in a long time that we're actually doing something that isn't directly building a product or like building a website or doing something like that. Because today I have been authorized, I have been given executive permission of the utmost highest order to review a certain website. Can anybody guess what that website is? If you read the title. If you read the title of the stream, you would know. Not my website. Why would I review my own website on stream? I was about to make a rude joke, but realized I have to be nice here. Oh my word, Dust. You know what, Dust? If you want to make a rude joke, Dust, go ahead. I'm waiting. We'll all wait here for you to make a rude joke. And then we'll judge you on the quality of your joke. Hi, Canhorn. Thank you so much for the 23 months tier 1.
Why?
Fine, Dust. Fine. Hello, MHDIO. I have no idea which website. I'm just here to know how Alex managed to do all of this with his family life. That is a very good question. Unfortunately, I don't think I can answer that because Alex won't be here today, probably. I mean, Alex could show up in theory. Medio. Oh, of course. That makes sense. I didn't want to assume, right? Because it's like the internet. So it could be anyone. Also, actually, I don't know if it's you. You could be impersonating. Medi. Thank you, Dust. I was just talking about my YouTube short. I'm gonna mix it up by using a rapid strobe light when my missus tries to talk to me while I have headphones on. Yeah, so I made a little YouTube short about this busy light that I use, so definitely YouTube if you are not already subscribed. I mean, there's 1,400 followers here, and I don't have 1,400 subs, so in theory, there's a lot of headroom, in theory. Hello, Ian. Who said you could call me Data Daddy? Who said that? Did you get permission? And Kara, good to see you as well. For those of you who are confused. I'm also wearing all black today, so you know what? I can just be like you, Medi. Rocking the cap. You don't have this one yet, do you, Medi? Medi doesn't have this one. I'm gonna change your name in Discord. 2 seconds. You licensed the brand. Oh. Excuse me. Are you gonna change my Discord server name, Dust, to Data Daddy? It's better than Data Champion, isn't it? Congrats, you owe me 1,000 subs. Honestly, it's great merch. I like the merch a lot. I think it's good fun. Doesn't actually say... Oh, it does, on the back. In case you're wondering what brand it is. It is done. Thank you, Dust. Yeah, I'm not like a big caps guy, but you know, When my hair is just like especially long and more tenacious. If anyone gives you crap about the name on the server, let me know. I appreciate your support, Dust. I appreciate it very much. Anyway, let's drop some lulls and start things off how we always start the stream. 15 minutes in, after chit chat and shooting the shizzle. I'm gonna start with. Thank you for the follow, Medio. We're gonna start with. Can anyone? Actually, Medi doesn't know this. Medi doesn't know because it's their first time here. We always start the stream with the meme of the day. It's very important. The meme of the day is how to pay tribute to the homage of data. The image and the world of data can be expressed very, very succinctly and detailed in memes. There's no need for like long Gartner reports. We don't need no magic quadrants here. We just have memes. And today's meme of the day is a classic. A classic. What's the name of this gentleman? I don't always gentleman. I don't know what his official name is, but I don't always type in all caps. But when I do, I am probably writing a SQL query because that shift key gets so much left finger action, you know? Just can't. There's so much action on it. It's not possible. You just gotta roll with the caps. And, you know, most interesting man in the world. Yes, Kara, that's true.
What?
I don't understand why people scream when writing SQL.
What?
Yeah. I mean, although I have seen all lowercase SQL, and I will say it's a little bit terrifying. It's weird to read. It's weird. Anyway, that's why we have a crazy SQL emote. Can I drop this one? I don't even know. Why not? There we go. Everybody drop the SQL emote. Also, today's drop game target is 99.93 or above. That's right, if you hit 99.93 or above in the drop game, you win a prize. Since it's been so long that no one is at 100 in the drop game, we started dropping it by 1% point every stream. SQL people, the only people who need the caps lock key regularly. No, we don't need it regularly. We keep it on. And then, you know, that happens like Medio, right? So chat, today I'm going to be reviewing a very special website. See, the website is from, I would say good friend, but I've never actually spoken to Alex directly. But we've interacted a few times online. Seems like a very nice guy. And I will be reviewing Alex's website that he built. Not his personal website, but a product, a SaaS that he built for data people to learn more data skills effectively. Kara has been working on enhancement with SQL Fluff on detecting aliases in case-sensitive way. I've discovered how distinct caps are for each dialect. Oh my word. Just reading that. Whoa. Thank you for throwing a paper ball at me, Ian. I appreciate that too. So Alex has built, together with a team, I assume, because otherwise I don't know how this is possible to build such a crazy, huge product. Analyst Builder. And as it says in the name, you learn data analyst skills. Now, just to prove to you that I haven't done anything on this website, okay? You see this? Total points, 0. 0. Dashboard, my courses, none. Completed, none. I have done nothing. I have simply created an account. Now, for those of you wondering, yes, there is a free tier. I have not paid for this service. I'm already a data person. I don't think I'm going to pay for it. However, I am going to be learning more Python, so I might, I don't know. They could have reset your account. No, Alex did not reset my account. I promise. I promise. I promise. So yeah, I'll be using the free account, which has access to free questions that you can answer in Python, MySQL, Postgres, and MS SQL. That's right, Microsoft SQL Server, which I am very surprised that they were able to get that working in an environment that looks modern, because typically the experience with Microsoft SQL Server is anything less than optimal. There are also courses you can buy rather than just practicing subscriptions through like a subscription for monthly. You can actually just buy a course. Oh, right. Sorry. Lights again are getting me. So you could do, you know, pandas and Python and all this kind of stuff. Really cool stuff. And then there's also bundles, which honestly, lifetime access for $349 is wild. Like that is very, very cheap to get every single thing, like everything on the website for $350 forever is kind of wild. Like I think that's a very good deal if you are looking to, you know, if you are looking to level up. So this is what the platform looks like. Overall, by the way, I like that the site is simple. I like that it's simple. There's video walkthroughs for each question. There's these courses. You have an integrated coding workspace. It looks very similar to another major coding workspace, even in terms of styling. Not going to say which one. But yeah, Analyst Builder obviously checks all the boxes. Not sponsored, by the way. And yeah, you can try it out for free. They have a Discord server. I have not joined the Discord, so I do not know what that's like. And if you are a creator, you could technically become also a affiliate for them, which I have not done. But I like how the site is so simple. It has all the information you need. You find everything. You look at the pricing, done. Bam, wada boom. Like it's very straightforward. So this is the platform itself. There's a question of the week, which is cool. It's pretty interesting. I like the format of having sort of like a weekly challenge type thing. I think that's pretty cool. There's progress. So there's 35 easy questions, 45 moderate questions, 30 hard questions, and 8 very hard questions. And very hard with a dash, so that means it's very hard. Very hard. And you can see that there's some people with crazy scores, like Sandy G has 19.6k. I think that's across all questions and courses though. I feel like you couldn't get that from just questions. I don't know how much they give. So what we do need to do is we need to filter for free, which is already on here, which is great because we can only answer free questions. And then we're going to start with the easy ones. So you can see there's quite a few easy questions. Ha! Tesla. All right. So let's complete this first exercise. So this is what the builder looks like. This is what the actual interface looks like. You may recognize this interface from another very popular data learning website. Anyway, I'm going to spend as little as time formatting and doing queries. So we're going to see how fast we can get through these questions actually. I just want to see what the platform is like. I want to see what the questions are like. And we could watch videos about them too.
Hello, my friend. Let's see how we can solve this Tesla models question.
Interesting. So it's just voiceover. And there's solutions and submissions. Okay. The question is, Tesla just provided their quarterly sales for major vehicles. Determine which Tesla model has the most profit. Include all columns with the profit column at the end. Tesla models. So there's Tesla model, car price, cars sold, production costs. Well, did they not tell you how to calculate profit? I guess you should know that. They don't teach you this. Okay. Include all columns with the profit column at the end. Yeah, this preview thing is nice, where you can see all the columns, or you can actually see the data itself. Overall, the UI and UX is absolutely solid from what I've seen. And apparently you can also save notes for each question, which is interesting. I wouldn't have thought that would be a feature that you need. I wonder if people use that. Okay, so profit is going to be production costs times cars sold. What's the formula here? Hold on. Car price is the sale price? Yeah, that's the sale price. So production cost times cars sold minus the car price times cars. Now there's auto completion for functions, but there isn't auto completion for fields in the data set, which is a little bit disappointing. But it makes sense. I don't know how easy that would be to do. And this is profit. Determine which Tesla model has made the most profit. Okay. And now we're going to do model. And then group by one. Model does not exist? Oh, Tesla model, sorry. Huh? What's going on here? So the error message is a little hard to read. I would say the contrast is not great on this. Column Tesla models production costs must appear in the group by. Well, we can just wrap this whole thing in a max. Obviously, it's not going to do much, but... Also, I like that you can do Command Enter to execute. Is this right? Is that how you compute profit? Profit is cars sold times car price. Oh, it's the other way around. Yeah. Okay. Solution is incorrect. Determined. What does that mean, determined? See, this is the problem with these platforms. The question isn't clear. Determine which Tesla model has made the most profit. How do you want me to know that? Do you want me to rank? Do you want me to order them? Order by 2? Do you want me to like order them? Order by 2 descending? Like how? I don't get it. High control? Like, I don't understand the instructions. I just simply don't understand the instructions. And see, this isn't the code problem, this is a transparency problem. Let's look at a hint. The calculation to determine total profit is car price minus production cost times
What
cars
is
sold.
this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Okay. Car price times car price minus production costs times cars sold. Okay. We need to only select the Tesla model with the most profit. We can do this by ordering and selecting the first row. Okay, so they do want that, but they don't say that in the instructions. Syntax error. Oh, I need another bracket in there. To say the bracket highlighting is not so clear. Like it's... Okay, why is this incorrect? I'm here to announce my love for Excel and hallucinogens. Do those two things mesh together? Interesting. I mean,
What's that smell?
Failure.
why is this wrong? I don't understand why it's wrong. I just simply don't understand why it's wrong. Oh, they want all the columns. They want all the columns. That's why we don't need to do this. Well, I'm really not forgiving with the commas. Really not forgiving. Order by 5. Ho 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 ho! Okay. So we needed to go through. We needed to use hints to understand the language. I see. Okay, but how can you go to the next question now that you've done it? I feel like it should take you to the next, like there should be a button to take you to the next one. Is it this? Ah, okay. It's these ones here on the top. Okay, fine. Dr. O'Brien. Dr. O'Brien has seen an uptick in heart attacks for his patients over the past few months. He's been noticing some trends across his patients and wants to get ahead of things by reaching out to current patients who are at high risk of heart attack. Identify which clients he needs to reach out to. If a patient is over the age of 50... Okay, hold on. Age 51 plus. Over the age of 50. Cholesterol of 240 or over. And weight 200 or greater. Then they're at high risk. Write a query to retrieve these patients. As cholesterol is the largest indicator, order the output by cholesterol. Okay. Select star from patients. Where? Age greater than 51. And cholesterol is greater than 240. Greater than or equal to 240. Is it or? Hold on a second. Oh yeah, all three. It's all three conditions. And. So age is 51. Age, cholesterol, and... Hi, Ghost Daddy. Good to see you. and weight. 200 or greater. Okay. Write a query to retrieve these patients. Include all columns. Order by cholesterol from highest to lowest. Descending.
Why?
Boom.
Why?
Done. Look at that. First try. First try, chat. I bet this won't work. It's not a bet because I can see why it's wrong and I would be cheating. I might holla at you whenever I get to my capstone. You're right. Over the age of 50. Yeah, that's fun. That's true. That's true. Good spot. That's fun. We need to filter on age. Age is strictly greater than 50. They even write it here, but it's not checking. Okay, I need to tell Alex this one's wrong. Take a screenshot of this. No, we don't want text. We want annotate rectangle. Cool. First bug of the day. No, Ghost Daddy, I already have a course, actually. I already have a course. It's about decision science. But this, I'm trying out a platform called Analyst Builder. From a fairly large YouTuber, actually.
Wow.
I'm upset I was right, but also wrong, and it feels bad. It's okay, Control. You can be honest and say that it makes you upset. I'm particularly pleased because I got it right in one answer. That's my response. Moshiko, thanks very much for the follow. I appreciate that. Welcome to the stream. 38 minutes in and I plug my course. Of course I do. Of course. Of course I plug my course. Why wouldn't I? Look at this, okay? Now my course is not for beginners. I will say that. It's not for beginners. This is for people who already have a bit of experience in data analytics and they want to get better. Decisions based on gut feeling are a thing of the past. This is for an analyst who wants to become better at answering questions. You should have an understanding of SQL or be learning it actively. Stakeholders challenge you and you're sick of spending hours on monkey reports that are useless. I will post the link in chat. Here we go. You can waitlist. You can waitlist for it. There will be, the next cohort will be sometime in the fall. And periodically I do write the waitlist with like free webinars and stuff. So yeah. Sounds good, Ghost Daddy. But yeah, we're checking out Analyst Builder today. So, okay, fine. Heart attack risk, done. And I did get it right. It's not my problem if the question doesn't evaluate correctness properly. Okay, a computer store is offering a 25% discount for all new customers over the age of 65 or customers that spent more than 200 on their first. The owner wants to know how many customers received that discount. Write a query to see how many customers received the discount. Okay. Select from customers. Where? What are the criteria? Criteria number 1, customers over the age of 65. So age 65 over. Okay. Or well, that's weird. Why is it? Huh, that's fun. Or total purchase more than 200. Greater than 200. Run. Write a query to see how many customers received that discount. Count! Probably. Count. I can't type today, chat. I don't know what I'm doing. Count customer ID. Let's do distinct as CNT. Run code. 14. Check answer. Boom! Wait, should we check? Should we check? Even if you asked, sorry. Oh no. It doesn't matter what you put in. As long as the answer is 14. Oh wait, this is bad. Wait. What if, sorry, I just have to try this. Oh no. Oh no. It's not checking. It's not checking. It's not checking for the actual code. It's just checking for the response. I'm clipping this one. The thing is, right? I understand because you can't check all the permutations of how you could answer this in SQL. But if they're trying to get you to learn something specific, you could check for those two things because you can't get data like that. You can't get data from that table without using a where condition. It wouldn't be possible. Oh, no, actually, there's another way to do it. There's another way to do it. You could do case when age 65 or total purchase greater than 200, then 1, else 0. And then you could sum this. You could do it this way. What? Column age does not exist? Huh? Oh, I didn't put a from in here. Sorry. From customers. See, the answer is still 14. So you could solve it this way as well, but you need to do it somewhere. You need to have these columns in here. You can't do it elsewhere. Makes sense to only parse for the result if you want to have the community aspect. So let's see. Our submission. Oh. I guess maybe there's like a community thing. I don't know. Next one. $1 million store. Write a query that returns all the stores whose average yearly revenue is greater than $1 million. Output the store ID and average revenue. Store ID, average revenue. Group by 1. We need a where in here. Where average yearly revenue is greater than $1 million. You could do this a few different ways. I wonder if you can use a halving like this. Order by 2 descending. I'm just wondering how much I can abuse this, basically. That's the objective. Okay. Greater than... How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. There's only 2 stores. Round the average to 2 decimal places. Ugh. Seriously. Incorrect. Write a query. Am I misunderstanding the question again? Is this... Wait, is this already average? Write a query that returns all the stores whose average yearly revenue is greater than $1 million. Output the store ID and average revenue. Round the average. Oh, gosh. Order by store ID. Okay. What was their solution for this? Casting to numeric. They also did a halving for this. Could have done a select and then nested select. GhostDad, are you having more issue with Python? I saw you write that. Also, Moshiko, if anyone has questions about what I'm doing, just, you know, let me know in the chat. That's what it's for. You can just, you know, write stuff in the box. YouTube videos. I have a lot of YouTube videos. Write a query to export. Report the IDs of low quality YouTube videos. A video is considered low quality if the like percentage of the video is less than 55%. Return the result table ordered by ID in descending order. This class just taking more time than I wanted. Doing files now. I suppose that's important. Steffi, you have requested to slow me down through the use of tiny hands. Very well. I shall accept your 1000 channel points as payment, and I shall now type only with tiny hands. Video is considered low quality if the like percentage of the video number of likes divided by total number of votes. Okay, where? Like, number of likes. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Number of likes divided by the total number of votes. Divided by, we need another bracket. Thumbs down plus thumbs up. No. Up. No. Up. There we go. You're a data analyst by profession doing easy exercises. Of course there has to be an extra challenge. Yeah, I guess. But you saw I got one wrong anyway. Haha, joke's on you. Greater than 50, less than 55%. 0.55. Run. Return the result table ordered by ID in ascending order. Order by video ID. Your solution is incorrect. A video is considered low quality if the like percentage... Oh, sorry, I meant thumbs up. My bad. Do I have to include the column? It doesn't say I have to include the column. Thumbs up divided by thumbs up plus thumbs down. Oh, they don't want anything else. They just want the video ID. Oh, that's instructions unclear in this one. Hey, Yost. Oh, hi, you're still doing this. By this, you mean streaming. Or what? Do you mean programming? But yes, I am still doing this. Why is this incorrect? I don't get it. The internet. Data. Write a query to report the IDs of low quality YouTube videos of videos considered less quality. Thumbs up divided by thumbs down plus thumbs up less than 55? Huh? What am I missing? Do they want ascending to be here? Please tell me that's not true. This includes every video. I wonder why that is. Oh. Are you kidding me? It's not numeric? Like, why give me a column that isn't numeric in the first place? How's that even possible? No, it's not. It's int. It says it's int. Oh, it's a whole number. Of course. It's a whole number. If you don't cast one of these, if you don't cast one of these to a float or numeric, then you cannot return a numeric value. It will only return whole numbers. Site sounds intriguing. Currently rewriting an older side project for a quick win. Nice, Yost. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. Oh, chocolate question. Yost, you might want to hang out. There's a chocolate question. I love chocolate and only want delicious baked goods that have chocolate in them.
Why?
Write a query to return bakery items that contain the word chocolate. Where? Does anyone in chat know how to solve this? Product. Because by the time I'm finished typing, you've probably already typed the answer in chat. Name. Frickin' tiny hands. If anyone knows the answer in chat, now's your chance. Look, I'll hide it. I'll hide it for a second. Anything that contains the word chocolate. Okay. Chocolate. I'm guessing that Kara and Control and Steffi and a few other people in chat, like Medi, probably know the answer. Is that the Chinese word for chocolate, Yost? The answer is using like, which is kind of like regex in a way. It's kind of like regex. Oh, they're getting too tight on my fingers, Steffi. I had to take them off. Oh, hurts. They're so small. Tiny hands. Okay, so that's already done. Check it, it's good. Okay. On the way out. Herschel's manufacturing plant has hit some hard times with the economy, and unfortunately they need to let some people go. Younger employees need their jobs more as they are growing families, so they decide to let go of their 3 oldest employees. They have more experience and will be able to land on their own feet. And they had to pay them more, of course. Write a query to identify the IDs of the 3 oldest employees. Order the output from oldest to youngest. Oh, this is interesting because there's only a birth date in here. Oh, that's fun. That's fun. Okay. Birth date. I want to see the... Okay, it's a date. Current date minus birth date. Ooh, that doesn't... It's probably a date diff. Date diff? I can never remember if this is in Postgres. I can never remember the syntax. Birth date. It must be current date. Birth date day. Column day does not exist. Ryan, hello. Ryan J112, first time chat. It's been a while, do you remember me? Ryan J. Ryan J. No, I don't think so. I have to look up date diff. Date diff? Ah. Okay, it's the interval and then the 2 things. Okay. So it would be day, birth date, current date. Huh? So annoying. I have 5 accounts. Ryan, you have 5 accounts? There are 5 other Ryans? Oh, that was MS SQL. Oh, was it? Really? Postgres SQL Server. Oh, here. Date. Oh! What? There's no date diff? Get away. Get out of here. There's gotta be. Oh, it doesn't exist in Postgres. You can just subtract. No, you cannot. You cannot. No way. No way. Is this in days? Maybe it works. Could be. Write a query to identify the IDs. Okay, hold on. Select employee ID. Order by 2 descending. Oh, here, limit 3. Order the output from oldest to youngest. Ryan, thanks for the follow though. Appreciate that. I think they don't want us to include this. Somehow. Yeah, they don't want us to include that. You know what? Fine. You want me to not include it? That's what you want? If that's what you want, Analyst Builder, I will exclude that column. How did they want it? How did they want it? Tell me. Oh. You don't need to subtract. You can just order by birth date. Oh, I love taking a more complicated route and getting the same answer. Let's take 3 minutes break.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Garbage.
Who was in my stream yesterday? That's right. I did a stream yesterday. Did I do it? Yeah, nice. So I guest streamed yesterday on Aaron's channel. High quality. Otherwise they get deleted, Surly. They get deleted just like that. Savage streamer deletes clip live on stream. But that's a problem. Ingvar Kamprad Emtarjard Agrun Gunnard. Cool story, by the way. What did I just say? Bashing Ingvar Kamprad Emtarjard Agrun Gunnard. I feel like I have to clip this just because I don't know what it is. What even was that? Front end is easy, back end is hard. Jokes, of course. Everything is very difficult.
I've got balls of steel.
$543? Oh no. I don't know what angle that is. Oh my word. Chat, look at this. So cheeky. If I wanted to have 13 million characters, I would need to take the enterprise, sorry, the ultra tier, which costs $600. Now, I don't know about you, chat, but the last time I checked my bank account, I wasn't making $600 a month from streaming. So I'm not really keen to upgrade for that. Stuff to the side projects. I need to add datiddle and the SRT CSV parser. And I need to add a stories section. Oh no. It's 180 again, isn't it? I was not prepared again. I was totally not prepared. I mean, really not. Look at this absurdity. Like, my teeth are like over my mouth. That's horrible. Is literally garbage. Okay? Whoop. It's certainly possible. I haven't restricted it. I didn't turn off the channel point redeem, so it is possible.
Awesome.
Yeah. What I also wanted to ask you is, so you're based in the US, in California. You have a... Shocking. Truly shocking to what length you will go to, chat, to troll me. I'm very, very concerned. Very concerned. I feel like I shouldn't play clips anymore. It just gives you ideas. Just gives you ideas about other things you can do. You know? I'm not blaming you. I'm just saying it's suspicious because you do something and then I feel the effects from it. And then I'm the one who suffers, not you. But anyway. Let's continue with the sandwiches. The sandwiches. We have a sandwich generation query. Jan is a sandwich enthusiast and is determined to try every combination of sandwich possible. He wants to start with every combination of bread and meats and then move on from there, but he wants to do it in a systematic way. We have two tables, bread and meats. Output every possible combination of bread and meats to help Jan in his endeavors. Order by the bread and then meat alphabetically. This is what Jan prefers. Hey, Dr. Diggy David. Good to see you. This is an interesting conundrum. You could just do from bread table and then meat table. The thing is, you won't get combinations. You won't get all the combinations. Brioche roast beef. Whole wheat roast beef? Or could you get every combination this way? I wonder, actually. Could you? Do we need to do Cartesians? Order by the bread. Bread ID or bread name? And then meat alphabetically. Ah, bread name. Bread name, meat name. Output every possible combination of bread and meats. Bread name, meat name. Oh, it is correct. Who isn't a sandwich enthusiast? Gluten-free veganism, problem solved. Result 0. Hi, TG. You love the revamp. I'm so happy to hear that. I've done some pretty interesting tweaks. So for example, I can swap. A doesn't like this, by the way. A doesn't like the fact that, like, everything is interchangeable. I can swap my camera at any time, no matter which position it's in. So for example, if my camera's up here, I can still swap it. I can go back to, like, a different scene that shows chat fully. Yeah, and the ending scene automatically has a particular grid layout and all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, it works pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. Belgium is as much a sandwich culture as it is Stella and friture. Really? I did not know that. I'm glad you like it. I had fun making it. I honestly have 3 scenes, basically. As opposed to before I had like 12. So I think that layout suits your style better. Thanks, Steffi. Wow, you said something nice. Are you okay, Steffi? Are you sick? Are you okay? I'm a little bit concerned now. I'm a little bit worried. Do you feel okay? You can go with 3 scenes. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying everyone has to do that, but I'm saying it is possible to do. It works for Postgres, not MySQL. Why doesn't this work in MySQL? Oh, wait. Are you sure? No. 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 What you talking about? Same story, Kara. Same story. You can go back to roasting. No, no. No, it's fine. I don't need to be roasted. Electric bike replacement. After about 10,000 miles, electric bike batteries begin to degrade. Write a query to determine the amount of bikes that currently need to be replaced. Oh, count bike ID. I'm gonna do this properly because even they didn't ask. From bikes where miles greater than 10,000. After about 10,000 miles. If I could walk 10,000 miles and I could ride 10,000 more. MySQL does something weird with the join defaults. Okay. Well, this was 10,000. So, you know. Voila. In case you were wondering. Easy peasy. Are these all the easy questions? Oh good, there's only 3 left. Okay. Speedrun time. Cars need to be inspected every year in order to pass inspection. If a car has a critical issues, it will fail inspection. If it has more than 3 minor issues, it will fail. Write a query to identify all the cars that passed inspection. Output should include the owner name and vehicle name. Okay. Owner name. The vehicle from inspections. What is the criteria? Minor issues. Where minor issues more than 3. So if it has 3 or less. Okay. So if it has 3 or less and any critical issues, it will fail. Okay, critical issues equals 0. Oops. GM, order by the owner name alphabetically. Order by owner name. Check my answer. Boom, done. Good day to you. I leveled up. I am now beginner of Postgres. See, this is 100 points. Oh my gosh. There are people that have 20,000 points on this platform. Wow. MySQL order of operations can cause issues between join and comma join. Ah, interesting to know. Sharer, Jason, or Jason, how are you doing? Thank you, Diggy. David. Doctor. The doctor is in. Perfect data analyst. Return all the candidate IDs that have Problem solving skills, SQL experience, knows Python or R, and has domain knowledge. Candidate ID. This is just like tons of where conditions. Problem solving. Why is it text? Problem solving equals X and SQL experience equals X, knows Python or R, okay, and R programming, can't even type this, just gonna copy it. R programming equals X, or Python or R. Okay. Bro, it's me. I'm here. Hire me. Will it be you? Will it be your candidate ID? What is your candidate ID, Diggy? If you tell me your candidate ID and it comes up, I will be very impressed. And has domain knowledge. Domain. 7. Okay. Order on ID from smallest to largest. Candidate ID. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like you are in this list. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, David. You are not hired. You know what's really funny about the Zoom? If it goes away, the other stuff appears that's hidden behind it. Because it's just hiding it. Because I haven't implemented the Zoom on the thing. Thoughts on X in? Okay. Not a big fan of the... I'm not a big fan of nested conditions like that. But we could try. Maybe I would like it. Okay, I would say that for experienced people reading it, Kara, yes, certainly. We know that this doesn't mean it has to be in both of them, but someone who is more of a beginner who doesn't have the experience yet might not know that this is an or condition. So I would say that it's better to have more explicit here in this case. Those are my thoughts. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Costco rotisserie. Let's do the Costco rotisserie. Okay. Costco is known for their rotisserie chickens, not just because they are so delicious, because they are a loss leader. They actually lose money in selling the chickens, but they're okay. Calculate how much money they have lost on their chicken this year. Lost revenue in millions. Round to the nearest whole number. Some lost revenue millions? And then a round? Round 0. Or we could Oh, you know what? We could do it even faster with int. $48 million in chicken loss. Sad. The biggest loss has been for the chickens. You're right, Dicky. You are very right. Syntax Scholar, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Great to have you here. If you are interested in joining in or asking questions, feel free to at any time. This is considered an interactive live stream, which means you don't have to wait for me to say something to you. You can just say whatever you want in chat. It's magic. Okay, that was it. Now what? Okay, that was the end of the category. We've done all the easy ones. Nice. Ooh, there's quite a lot of moderate ones. But I can't 100% the category because I only have access to 12 of the questions. Let's also do the question of the week. Maybe that disappears. Oh no, that's a paid question. Boo. Okay. Senior citizen discount. If a customer is 55 or above, they qualify for a senior citizen discount. Check which customers apply. Assume the current date is 1st of the 1st, 2023. Return all the customer IDs for the senior citizen discount in ascending order. I see. Return the customer ID who qualify in ascending order. Where? Assume the current date is 1st of the 1st, 2023. UGT28, thank you very much for the follow. Appreciate that. Glad to have you here as well. And as I said to everybody else in chat, feel free to join in. Consume the content as you want. You want to watch it later while you're on the toilet. You want to binge it on your TV while eating snacks. It is totally up to you. You want to join in chat? Everything is allowed. Although, if you do watch my videos on the toilet, I don't really want to know. You don't have to tell me. And you can win a prize if you drop in the drop game and you land 99.93 or above. I will not, but I will land on the pad just to show you what it's like. There you go. 68.29. That rounds up. No, does it round up? No, it rounds down. Sad. Select customer ID from customers where. We could do the date diff thing. James Q Quick. Hello, James. Welcome in, James. And Raiders. What's up, Triple Shoes? It's 2 shoes, Stony. Is it that difficult for you to remember? I will berate you, Stony. What's going on, James?
So let's run this in 2 seconds. It should start to do that thing, and hey, it failed. That's great. Oh, well, did I not catch? Oh, this should definitely go inside of here. So it looks like it failed to load the question, which I don't know why yet. We'll try that again.
Nice clip. Very nice clip.
Oh,
showing failure.
Well, we should also
it's
log out
pretty normal around here,
instead
James.
of just the message that it failed. Thanks.
Tell us about yourself, James. You seem to be a bit of a programmer type. I am also a programmer type, but I am doing SQL. Oh, yeah, no worries, James. Take care. Thanks for the follow and the raid. Appreciate that. Welcome in, everyone. Yeah, my name is Maddie, Maddie Two Shoes. I do lots of data stuff on stream. I also do some programming as well. And yeah, this is SQL. I'm testing out a site. Let's talk about how dates are a pain in the rear in every language. You're right, Keyboard Cowboy. I'm currently deciding how to process the date in this. So the question is, if a customer is 55 or above, they qualify for a senior citizen discount. I have to check which customers qualify based on it being the 1st of the 1st, 2023. Yeah, we're not going to talk about time zones. We don't want to have like, you know, we don't want to have like PTSD from that. James is also a YouTuber with almost 200,000 subscribers.
Like and subscribe. Bye!
Why are you both coming in here and atting me for not having 200,000 subscribers like James? Because you're writing, James is also a YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't have 200,000 subscribers. But that's really cool. James must make amazing content. Definitely have to go check out his YouTube channel now. I don't even have 1,000 subs, actually, yet, on my channel. But I could. If all of you in chat right now subbed, I could get very close to 1,000. Wouldn't that be something? Haha. But you're both a Twitch streamer, so that makes sense. Aha. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So, where... I'm just going to format it like this. 2023 0101. And then date. Minus birth date. Make sure to do the math properly. 55 or above. What's 55 in days? Oh gosh, let's just divide it by 365. And then do greater than 55? No, 55 or above. Okay, 55. SQL syntax error. I wonder why. I need to see what this returns. I'm not actually sure what this is returning. SQL syntax error. Yeah, no kidding. You win. I subbed on YouTube. What do I win? You don't win anything for subscribing. So this is where you do like P, birth, DT, TM, date, add, minus 55, anchor date. Oh, date, add. Leap years be fricked. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's so many different ways of approaching this, but one of the things, I'm actually curious, what do they say here? Use a data function. That's a typo. That's a typo. That's number 2. I'm annotating all of these things for Alex, who is also a very big YouTuber. By the way, actually, that's a good point. So we haven't shouted out Alex yet. Okay. Alex the analyst. 733,000 subs. Almost 750k. Isn't everyone subbed to Alex? I hope so. I hope so. But Alex is the one that launched this platform. So thank you, by the way, Alex, because he commented on my LinkedIn post saying that this was good. That I should do, like, it's okay for me to do this. So they launched the platform. Officially, they launched it 3 months ago, but I saw about it about 6 months ago. Anyway, Alex has a crazy amount of content, like insane amount. And yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say. So thanks, Alex. I wonder if this is faster with indexes. Ha! Who knows? That's a good question. So it's double cast? What are we talking about here? Customer ID does not exist. I forgot a comma, my bad. Yeah, this works. Good. I'm gonna do it the dirty way because until now, that's what we've done. And it feels good to do it that way. Feels good to do it the dirty way. It's great because if Alex were to watch this stream, he would see how dirty the code is and go, ooh, you know. See? You can also answer things correctly by not writing clean code. That's what you learn. That's what you learn. LinkedIn famous. I am not LinkedIn famous. Write a query to determine the popularity of a post on LinkedIn. Popularity is defined by the number of actions divided by the number of impressions the post received times 100. Okay. Actions divided by the number of impressions times 100. If the answer is correct and the code is readable, then who gives? If a post receives a score higher than 1, it was very popular. Return all the post IDs and their popularity. Okay. Post ID. Where the score is greater, 1 or greater. Order by 2 descending. I just want to see if it's correct. No. Actions divided by the number of impressions the post received times 100. Actions, number of actions divided by the number of impressions times 100. Wait, who wrote something about a full table scan? Full table scan would like a word with you. Why? Actions divided by impressions times 100? I guess this is just not all of them. Or, hold on. Numeric. There we go. Having, I can't be bothered using having. Just nested select. It's faster. One or greater. Voila. So you can do stuff like this when you're doing on the fly fast queries, but you can't do that kind of query and let that live in production because people will get angry at you. It's true. This is also a great track. Blueskin Land of Dreams. I gotta put this in my SoundCloud. Hold on. It's a really good track. Blueskin Land of Dreams. Huh. It's not on SoundCloud? Tracks. Huh. It's not on SoundCloud. That's unusual. I should probably learn how to write good SQL. ChatGPT will not tell you how to write good SQL. ChatGPT will tell you how to write SQL. Easy. ChatGPT is good at writing SQL that solves something. It's not necessarily good code though, a lot of the time. Company-wide increase. If our company hits its yearly targets, every employee receives a salary increase depending on what level you are in the company. Give each employee who's a level 1 a 10% increase, level 2 15, level 3 a 200% increase. Wow. This is capitalism right here. This is capitalism. Include this new column in your output as new salary, along with your other columns. Great. Case when. I guess we're using a case when for this. When pay level equals, hold on, I gotta look at preview here. When pay level equals 1, then what is this? Salary times 1.1. I'm assuming they mean 10% increase by 1.1.
Why?
I caught a video where he was like, why don't you have to do a CNV tupper? Showed how there are flags in the database can be set to ignore capitalization and accent. What? What are you talking about? I don't understand what the planet scale. I guess that's like developer focused. I don't really watch like dev content as much. Although I will definitely watch James's content now because James rated us. Like, I have to watch James, you know. And as new salary. Do I have to order or something? If your company hits its yearly targets, every employee hits a salary increase. 10% increase, 15% increase, 200. I'm guessing they're saying, yeah. Huh? They did 200% increase. Why are they saying times 3? Wait
Matty underscore two shoes held me at knife point and forced me, Karen, to tell everyone that right join is the best join.
Oh, there's a typo here. Hi, TD. This is wrong. Again, this is a typo. So they're writing 200% increase, but then they put times 3.0. That seems wrong, right? Level 3 at 200% increase. A 200% increase times 3. Oh, wait, it's not 100% increase. It's not doubling. It's a 200% increase over. Ah, yeah, okay, fine, okay. I misread that. I misinterpreted, I would say. Give me every customer with a first name of Luke. I always did upper first name just to get around weird case issues. I found out it's not always necessary. Oh, really? Interesting. So you can ignore case with flags in the database? That's kind of wild. That's kind of wild. Media addicts. Social media addiction can be a crippling disease affecting millions every year. We need to identify people who may fall into that category. Write a query to find the people who spend a higher than average amount of time on social media. Provide just their first names alphabetically, so we can reach out to them individually. Huh. 48-hour James Q quick React stream. No, not happening. TD, how are you doing, by the way? It's good to see you. Are you still traveling? What's going on? User time. Let's call this AA. Left join. Users. BB on BB dot user ID equals AA dot user ID. And then we do AA dot star. Provide just their first names. BB dot first name. Oh, now it's auto completing. Interesting. I'm doing all right back home, working on a big contract. How big is the contract? Like, does it fill your room or your desk? Can you take, like, the contract, does it fit in bed? Like, how big a contract are we talking here? Hey Ginny, good to see you. All the regulars in chat today. It's great. Hi, BB.firstname. Nice use of the emote there. Contract is already signed, but 3x my normal rate. But what if your normal rate was 1 pence per hour? It means you would now be earning 3 pence per hour. Did you have to send them feet pics first? Oh, can you imagine in a business context? Imagine in a business context, it's like, hi, we're a web development agency. We create professional websites for your brand. Yes, hi, I am brand XYZ, and I'd love to work with you. Would this contract be to your satisfaction? And you say, yes, all those conditions look great. Sounds good to me. And then the client goes, just one thing, before we sign the contract, could you send us pictures of your feet? I think that would feel very awkward. I'd feel so awkward. I wouldn't know what to say. Is that how they do it in France? Oh, this is just because of current social norms. I see. Hi, CDV. You've come in at a very opportune time. We're currently speaking about how T. Drayson has closed a contract at 3x his normal contract rate. And someone asked the question, what did he have to do to get that rate? Was it sending feet pics in advance? And I just said, in a business context, that would sound really weird if you asked your agency for feet pics. Yeah, anyway. It's good to see you again, by the way. So, WikiFeet. Okay, that would make sense if it was WikiFeet. It would make sense, yeah. So, bb.firstname. We need just their first names alphabetically. Okay, left. Order by 1. Write a query to find the people who spend a higher than average amount of time on social media. What does higher than average mean? How do you identify the... Okay. It's on the paper edge. Go put paper under a microscope so you can read the edge. All printer paper basically says you have to pay HP in feet pics. I could do something weird. I could do a halving AA dot media time minutes greater than the average of media time minutes. I don't know if that works. Probably not. No. What if we group? Could group by one. Media time minutes must be, I think it doesn't know the context of that. I just asked ChatGPT because reasons, and the output was gold. If I were writing a legal contract and needed an addendum where the client had to include a picture of their feet, how would I word that and make it sound like a Harvard lawyer wrote it? You should definitely share the link to that. We probably want to read this. I wonder. CTE. Determine the average media time for all users. For this, we don't need to group by anything. Next, we need to determine which users had higher than average, and then select the first names. Yeah, but we haven't handled CTEs yet, so I'm wondering if they expect you to use a CTE for this or not. Or you just do 2 queries. You know? Ah, some nested stuff here. There's some nested stuff here. Not so sure that's a nice solution for that. No, the reason you can't do halving in this context is because the average will be always, it will always be calculated on each person individually.
Why?
Baffled. See, if I do equals, it lists everybody. If I do greater than the average, it doesn't work because it's calculating its own average. Baffled, it's very weird to hear you say that you read popcorn as people in the notification, because it means that you thought about how long people need in the microwave. Calculate the average and hard code it. Yeah, the thing is, in a moderate level exercise, do they expect you to know a window function? That seems pretty steep. You'd have to go through some nested selects, and it's gonna look ugly. Yeah, oh. Ugh. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. That kind of query makes me upset. Oh no, Charles, you can only use that if you're VIP. You can't use that if you're not VIP. But it's okay, I can't refund you. But I'll swing the hammer for you, okay? Oh no, Commander Root. Oh no. I'm busy, but I came in to say that and run. Catch you next time, Baffled. Thank you for stopping by, I appreciate that. I feel bad about hitting Commander Root. Whoops. Anyway, well, I would do this differently. I would compute... I would obviously do this like this. I would do a whole computation here. I would just do select, what is it, average, media, time, minutes, as average mins from user time, and then do select blah blah blah, left join this, and also do CTE like that, and then do greater than average mins, and we can change this to a where, and probably invalid reference to from clause for table AA. What? Do you have to pay for this? Well, there are different levels of pricing. We're currently on the free tier. We're currently on the free tier. Hey Stony, how about like this? Does that bother you less? Is that good? Do you like that? Can you see enough of the content now? Is that good? Yeah? I love the diagonal line.
Addendum to contract. Provision of feet pics. 1. Provision of feet pics. A. The client agrees to provide the agency with high-quality digital images of their feet pics, upon request by the agency. B. The client acknowledges and agrees that the feed pics provided shall be used solely for legitimate purposes related to the provision of web development services by the agency, and shall not be distributed or used for any other purpose without the prior written consent of the client.
Karen, good job. Good job on coming up with a contract draft for feed pics. I appreciate it. It's the misalignment. So the thing is that it's very hard because both of those windows have stroke outline. It's very hard to get them to be perfectly aligned. It's just very difficult. With the way that OBS draws stuff around frames and stuff, it is very difficult to do. So I stopped caring. It's that simple. It's that simple. I just stopped caring because people don't come here for a stream layout. People come here to see me in a hat like this one, you know? People come here to see me in a hat. People come here to see me write code. All that kind of stuff. And that has nothing to do with having a 1 pixel stroke outline be slightly, you know? Penguin is best. You shall get enforcements. We'll see. We'll see about that. Okay, what's going on here? Why is it not allowing me to join? Invalid reference to from clause entry for table AA. I need to add an as here? It doesn't like this. Left join CTE CC on CC. Well, the thing is, there's nothing to join it. You just join. Postgres doesn't allow you to do that. It's like streamers who have their game UI slightly misaligned because it bothers viewers. Yes, it does. It really does. I bet it wants you to use a right join. Mm-hmm. We can use cross join here because cross join doesn't require a join key. That's the easiest way to solve it. Now this solution, okay, this solution here, this is like a medium or moderate level exercise. This solution here, I wouldn't expect someone at this level to be able to do this unless they knew cross join already. Unlikely though. Probably not likely. Alright, bike price. Sarah's bike shop sells a lot of bikes and wants to know what the average sale price is of her bikes. She sometimes gives away a bike for free, and she leaves the price of the bike as blank, but marks it as sold. Write a query to show her the average sale price for only bikes that were sold and not donated. Round the answer to 2 decimal places. Okay. We're finding out the average sale price of bikes for only bikes that were sold. Average. Bike price. Bike sold. Let's check the preview here. Bike price. Where bike sold equals Y and bike price is not null. We have to round. We have to round the 2 decimals. Function round double precision integer does not exist. There we go. Okay. Well, okay, that was easy. That was actually pretty straightforward. Direct reports. Write a query to determine how many direct reports each manager has. Note, managers will have the manager in their title. Did you know that, chat? Managers have managers in their title? You don't have manager in your title? Really? I thought they had grunt. Position? Oh, that's fun. Is that a reserved keyword? Oh. Have they even tried this? Because position is a reserved keyword, and you can't query position. You need to add a key to it. Why? Diggy, thanks for joining us, by the way. Appreciate that. We had a good time today. Font size. Ooh, I can increase the font size for y'all. I didn't know that. Hey, that's cool. Theme. Oh, there's different themes. These are all Sublime Text themes. Vim mode. Really? Nice. Closing quote. Oh, totally missed that. Analytics manager, data engineering manager, data science manager. Okay, so the question is, write a query to determine how many direct reports each manager has. This is called a self-join, where you do something called a join, a full join. So you do, well, actually you can just do an inner join. You do inner join direct reports as, so you can name one of them like, I don't know, D1, and the other one is D2. And then you say on D2.employee equals D1.manager's ID. And then you do D1.star. Missing from clause entry. What kind of bull is this? D1.star. Inner join. Oh, wrong alias. Okay, so we have the managers in D1. And then you have the employees in D2. So if you want to have manager ID, manager title, and number of direct reports, then you do manager ID, which is employee ID. It's just a naming thing, really. Manager title, you do position. And then you do count D2 dot employee ID. And you probably need to group by 1 and 2. And then there's only one. There's only one. Take care, TG. Thanks for hanging out. Hope to catch you in co-working soon. If you would like to co-work with us in the Discord, come join us in the Claw. I'm gonna snooze the ad for 5 minutes. I need a bit more time on this.
Garbage.
Why? Join the table back to itself where the manager ID equals the employee ID. Now that we can filter down just to the employees who have manager. Ah, wait. Wait. The filter is wrong. Because it will only match. It's only gonna match. There's also only one though. Employee ID, manager's ID. I think I took the wrong one. I think I took the wrong one. No. Huh? Why is there only one? I'm so confused right now. I think I did the wrong way. Yeah. I think. But you don't need to filter, do you? Report the manager ID, manager title, and number of direct reports. Manager's ID is null. The CTO is a manager. Solution is incorrect. Manager ID. Wait, do we have to rename them? Maybe it's a renaming thing? No, it's not. Direct reports. Keyboard Cowboy, thanks very much for the follow, by the way. Appreciate that. I'm confused. I'm confused with what they're writing. Analytics. Wait, no, this was correct. This was correct. Manager's ID. This was could it be because of the join? No. Should this be the employee ID and not the manager ID? Is that the problem? But this is the same answer. Huh? Oh, it was their manager ID, but the manager ID is their employer ID. Yeah. Oh, that's why naming is so important, chat. That's why naming is so important. Okay, so we're gonna have food divides us, but first we're gonna do a quick break again, because I need to use the lavatory, and I will see you in 3 minutes. You won't miss any of the action. You will see clips, or a bunny, maybe, or you will see ads. But in any case, you won't miss any of the action, so there's that. And if you would like to drop, now's a good time to do so. Although you can drop anytime technically. There's no limitation when you can drop. Every 90 seconds you can drop. So you have, in a stream of multiple hours, you have hundreds of chances to win. As you can see, everybody is winning. So see you in 3 minutes. Goodbye. Did I? No. I actually landed on 100. Chat. What just happened? No way. No way. Why is it me? Oh my. I've been a very bad girl, she said, biting her lip. I need to be punished. Very well, he said, and ran the SQL query using write join. Pure. I have no class.
Garbage.
So that's the step, that's the process for just in numbers. We're going to redo the website. We're going to MVP the feature. We're going to MVP the first feature without code if possible, as little code as possible. And then I... What? That's the one for today. Cannabis. Oh no, someone's going to clip that now, aren't they? No hacking. No hacking. I wish we could set a name when we clip. Twitch, if there's one thing that you do with clips, please, for the life of streamers, allow us to set a clip name when we clip. I swear. That would just... would make my life so much easier. EVE Online has become the first ever video game to integrate with Microsoft Excel. I'm not even kidding. This is a true thing. EVE Online built an extension for Microsoft Excel.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Holy moly. A 9 ad block, Steffi. Oh my gosh. That is truly concerning. You like the duck? Which duck? Oh no, that's actually 69. Disturbing. Only slightly disturbing. If I could put them in a particular destination, I could upload them somewhere else using a webhook, for example. So I will have a page on my website probably where I can upload all of the images. But I don't know if it's gonna happen. So, example, someone does this effect and puts in 42069. I don't know how many degrees that is. Oh. What a fantastic expression. Beautiful. Amazing. What's that, 11? This is 12 now. Are you happy with yourself?
How many is that?
You know where the like the video starts and it's like welcome to my channel and I'm telling you all about my amazing setup today. Like it's just I don't like why does the video need to be turned up to 11? Like is there a reason for Is there a reason why we need to have everything be so hype? Can't people just chill out? I mean, honestly, can't we just live our lives in peace and do things as we want to? Like, who are you to say that I can't just be chill and not speak on my stream? You know? Like, why is that not my choice? If I wanna be silent for 3 hours, that should be my decision. Okay, boomer. Fair enough, Yost. I see your point. I'm considered a boomer. Makes sense. This Wednesday, I shall be doing age +1 again. Now I don't think much of birthdays, okay? I don't really attribute much meaning or anything to birthdays. But this coming weekend is Easter. And I thought it could be fun to do a longer stream on Friday. So on Friday, we will have a bit of an Easter special. I can't tell you yet what we're going to be doing, but it will be a lot of fun. So if you would like to join for that, and you would like to be notified of that, then you have 2 ways to do that. Number 1, you could join the Discord, and you will receive a go live notification on Friday at 8 p.m. CET. Or you can hit follow right now, which is entirely free, and you don't need to leave the stream to like open up Discord and find the channel and join the thing, all that stuff, you know. You can literally just click the button now. I'm sure some of you watching are not following, but that's okay. That's fine. I mean, not really, but it's okay. I accept it. So, we have a food divides us question. In the United States, fast food is the cornerstone of its very society. Without it, it would cease to exist. But which region spends the most money on fast food? Write a query to determine which region spends the most amount of money on fast food. Which state? Which region? Region. Region. Some fast food millions. Group by. 1. Order by. 2. Descending. Limit 1. What am I supposed to output? After this, we only need to... I don't like that it's not specific. If they want you only to return, if they only want you to return one column, why don't they just say that? You know? Why don't they just say that? Because otherwise I'm going to do it like this. I'm just going to do this, you know? Like if that's how you want to play it, I can play that game. It's not a problem. Kroger is a very popular grocery chain in the US. They offer a membership card in exchange for a discount on select items. Is anyone here a member of Kroger's? Is that like Costco? Costco also has memberships. Fun fact, I worked at a Costco once for a few months in the country you would least expect. Would anyone like to guess what country that is? Because I'm sure you won't be able to guess. It was not North Korea. Do they have Costco in North Korea? Because I don't think so. Chat fell asleep again. Mom, chat fell asleep again. Yeah. It's not the first time either. Wild. Sorry, I'm just looking at something. There's something weird on my thing. Anyway, Kroger's. They offer a membership card in exchange for a discount on select items. Write a query to find the percentage of customers who shop at Kroger's who also have a Kroger's membership card. Huh? Percentage of customers who shop at Kroger's. What's a Kroger ID? I don't know what a Kroger ID is. Okay. What is Kroger ID? Hi, GoBot. Good to see you. How you doing? I don't know what a Kroger ID is. Does it tell you? When number of has member card equals Y. Write a query to find the percentage of customers who shop at Kroger's. Yeah, I mean, I also would have used K-Swim, but I just don't understand what these fields mean. When has member card equals Y, then 1. Else 0. And then you do the sum of this divided by count star, which is all the rows, or count Kroger ID, I guess. Syntax error. Oh, I need a numeric in here. Numeric 0.56. Write a query to find the percentage. Round this entire thing to 2 decimal places.
What's that smell? Failure.
Find the percentage of customers who shop at Kroger's who also have a Kroger's membership card. When membership card is Y, then 1, else 0, end. Divided by count star. I mean... Stop saying percentage and not explaining what you mean. This is the problem with these platforms. It pisses me off. They don't explain what they want to have. They want a percentage. They want this to be times 100. They want this. They want 56.67%. But they don't say that. They don't say that in the writing. It's not clear. I shouldn't have to open a hint to read here what it says linguistically. Now I feel like making my own platform for this. I mean, this is basically a DataCamp clone, kind of, in a lot of ways. I think it's better than DataCamp in some ways. Anyway, I'm not writing a SQL validator. It's the last thing on my list of things to write. I'm not doing it. No, Ginny. I'm not doing that. Tech layoffs. Tech companies have been laying off employees after a large surge of hires in the past few years. Write a query to determine the percentage of employees that were laid off from each company. Output should include the company and the percentage to 2 decimal places. See, again, they write percentage. Say whether you expect the percentage expressed as a decimal between 0 and 1 or between 0 and 100. Just say it. It's not cheating. It's not cheating. So here I have to go and look for it. It's stupid. I don't like that. Company size. Company fires. Percentage of play. Company employees fired. Divide by company size times 100. Round by 2. Fine. Round. Here. You want your rounding? Here's your rounding. Order by... Order by 1. That's already alphabetical. I think I have to make one of these numeric because it doesn't know how to... Because if you only give you int, check answer. Boom. Amazon has laid off 92% of its workforce? I don't think that's true. Oh no, sorry, 0.9. Sorry. Facebook's laid off 18% of its workforce? 18? Actually, that kind of makes sense. Huh. Crazy. And everyone wants to work for big tech, right? Ha! Ha! 2 more moderates. Then we actually get to some stuff that's more difficult. Linguistically? No. Actually, like, more difficult analytically. Data was input correctly into the database. The ID was combined with the first name. Write a query to separate the ID and first name into 2 separate columns. Split part, I think it is. Split part ID. What's the thing? Each ID is 5 characters long. Oh, that's an interesting one. Okay. If we do left ID 5, that gives us the ID. Are you a beginner, Ginny? Nice! Did you just pass as well? Are you catching up to me? How much XP do you have? I have 355 total points right now. How many points do you have? So this is the ID and then right, left. Oh wait, you can't do that now. How do you get 75? Oh wow, okay. Huh. Wait a second. This is a problem. Write a query to separate the ID and first name. Okay, the left is... Can you use a from value in left? Not left join. I already know about left join. No, that's the other one. MySQL left. Postgres left. Left function. 3 characters from the left. Extract all characters except 3 rightmost. What if we did right and then -5? I think trim could work. Can you use ltrim with an integer? No, but you can trim. Ah, yeah, trim leading. Yeah, we can do like this. It's nasty, but we can do it. If we do trim leading left 5. From ID. Hey Exegy, what type of list builder are we making from the title? It's an analyst builder. Trim left 5. Trim, hold on. Trim blah 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 from something. Okay, trim left 5 from ID. Can you not combine this? Anna Kendrick? What? What are you talking about, Exegy? Ooh, there's also reverse. I didn't know about that. Interesting. Substring? Ah, yeah, this is the position. It's substring. Position from. Analyst Builder. Anna Kendrick? Yeah, but I don't get Anna Kendrick. I don't get it. Maybe it's because it's Monday, you know? Maybe it's because it's Monday, but like... Analyst Builder. I really wish the first thing I had to do wasn't reformat the query to make it readable. Yeah. I know. It's a bit... Substring. I always forget. Substring is string position from number of characters. So we can do substring ID position from is 6. There we go. Anna Kendrick is an actor? What? Okay, I know nothing about that. Anna Kendrick? Pitch Perfect, Trolls, Simple Favor, Trolls Band Together, The Accountant, Pitch Perfect 2, Twilight. Oh, she's from Twilight. Okay. Oh yeah, this is done. Okay, next. TMI, too much information. This is the last one. Often when you're working with customer information, you want to sell that data to a third party. Sometimes it's illegal. Here you're given a table that contains customer ID and their full name. Return the customer ID only with the first name of each customer. That's an interesting one. First name. People get upset about that. Our order is different. That was your second one. Oh, really? Huh. I wonder how you solved it. Space in the name. So I'm guessing split part. Split part. Full name. Empty? What's that do? Does not exist. String split. I don't remember the function names. It is split part. String delimiter field number. Ah, oops. Split part. String. Okay. Use substring with a locate. Ooh, you nerd. That's nice. That's a cool solution. Customer ID with only the first name of each blah blah blah. Customer ID and split part. Boom. Okay, John. We did it, chat. Look at this. 405 points. I have now completed 24% of all the moderates. Look at this. All completed. Alright, time to get to the hard questions. Oh, there's only 3. There's only 3. Okay. Write a query to find all dates with higher temperatures compared to the previous dates. Or order a dates in ascending order. Okay. Temperature, sorry, date, lag, temperature. Write a query to find all dates with higher temperatures compared to the previous dates. Probably need a CT on this. Did you do this one yet, Ginny? Control R doesn't work in Twitch chat as a reverse lookup for your history. Do you really want to look up your history? I take issue with the meme of the day. It should be un-SQL query. What? How? How should that linguistically be un-SQL query? That makes no sense. Huh? No. What? Exy, what are you talking about? What? But when I do, I'm probably writing un-SQL. Oh, if you pronounce the letters. No. Okay, with CTE, select date, lag, temperature, lag, temperature, as prev temp. Select star from. I mean, we can probably do like this. Select star from CTE. Thank you, Ian, for the bit. I appreciate that. Let's go and everybody drop at the same time. Maybe you'll hit the mark. Or maybe not. Oh, Exegete, you got yeeted. Kara, oh nice, 93. Very nice. I read somewhere that you need to change the intonation of your voice to make it really interesting for people to watch you. Because if you talk in a monotonous voice, people think that you sound boring. Why is this a problem? Oh, I forgot my over, of course. Okay. So, there's no date there. This is great. From CTE, where
Garbage.
temperature is greater than prev temp. It says find all dates with higher temperatures. Order by date. I guess it only wants me to put out the date, huh? Yeah. Done! Maybe you should try altering other things too. Intonation, tone, speed, language. 412. Oh, I wasn't even ready. I wasn't even ready. I was not ready for that at all. I was not ready. Well done. That's pretty nice. I think you were too late on the screenshot. You're too late on. Kind of looks like a cardboard cutout Maddie. It's possible. Okay, so that was apparently a hard exercise. Let's go to the next one. Cake versus pie. Dessert. Oh my gosh, now I really want dessert. I've been craving ice cream since yesterday. Don't ask me why. I really just have a huge craving for ice cream, and I haven't gotten ice cream, and it's kind of pissing me off because I really want ice cream, but I didn't have the time. I didn't have time to get ice cream. Naughty Drayson, hello. I'm wondering if that's your bot or not. Also, why is there lyrics on this one? No. Marcy's Bakery is having a contest at her store. Whichever dessert sells more each day will be on discount tomorrow. She needs to identify which dessert is selling more. Write a query to report the difference between the number of cakes and pies sold each day. Output should include the dates sold, the difference, and which one sold more. Return. You're not a bot, T. Drayson. Okay. I'm confused about this exercise. Whichever dessert sells more each day. Write a query to report the difference between number of cakes and pies sold each day. Output should include the date sold, the difference between cakes and pies, and which one sold more. It's just a case when. Case when. Cake. What is this? Product? Hold on. Product amount sold. Case when product equals cake and amount sold is greater than product. I mean, I could cheat in this one. I could cheat in this one, but I'm not gonna cheat. I'm gonna do it properly. You watch, chat. I'm gonna do it properly. You're not gonna like how I do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna change the font because this is a little bit too large. Is greater than amount sold is greater than oh, wait a second. Hold up. The difference between cakes and pies. The difference should be a positive number. Ah, you have to find which one's bigger. But you can't do that unless you know which one is which. Case when product is cake, then amount sold. I'm gonna convert this. When product equals pie, then amount, sorry, pie sold, cake sold. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. Then amount sold. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make 2 case whens. I'm gonna do 2 case whens. And I'm gonna do pie as pie sold. Daily cleanliness check. How do you think? What do you think? Looks good? You liking it? Oh, also Canhorn. I completely forgot. Canhorn, you can get your name on the mask of subscription. Are you still here, Canhorn? Maybe not. Oh, what a shame. Select star. What would this give us? Okay. Great. So now what we do is we do a date sold case when, and then do where pie sold is not null, or oh wait, and then we can join. I guess we can join them. The mask of submersion. No, you don't go underwater with this. Definitely not. Left join. Hold on a second. Let's do a little CTE here. With cakes as. So this is cakes. Oh, hold on. I can just copy this whole thing. Check this out, chat. Ginny, are you also doing a hard exercise? I'm actually wondering if Ginny's doing the same one. Pies are this one. So here's the thing. Although we do need to join them. Oh, that was actually right. We do need to have 2 different ones. Do need to have 2 different fields. So what you do is you do select here. You do select star. Because you're going to get all the dates from... Formatting is a bit weird in this. Select star from desserts. And you're going to do a select date sold from desserts. And then you're going to do a left join. I mean, this is how I would do it. You do a left join. So much space. I need more space, chat. Separate bad data. Oh yeah, we had that one before. Left join cakes. So desserts is D. Cakes is C. On C dot date sold equals D dot date sold. And then you do date sold, which we have to now say is from D. And then we have to do C dot cake sold. And then we do here, left join pies P on P dot date sold equals P D dot date sold. And then you do here P dot pies so pie sold. Now look at the difference in structure. SQL syntax error. ¿Dónde estás el error? Cakes as when product equals cake, then amount sold, and as cake sold. Select date sold, the case when product equals pie, then amount sold, and as pie sold. Select.
If you make vlogs, does that make you a lumberjack?
I don't know, Karen. Does that make me a lumberjack? Maybe these are not good aliases. What's the error, chat? What's the error? I don't see it. Cakes as where product equals date sold. Date sold. If someone says I used the wrong join, I'm going to time you out. If someone's saying I should use the right join, I'm not looking at chat. If someone said that I needed to use a different join, I knew it. I freaking knew it. But I don't really get it. What's the error? SQL syntax error. I'm missing something somewhere. CTE, comma, no comma, from desserts. No, the semicolon isn't required. Oh, I see it. Missed the alias. I missed the as. Oh, wow. With cakes. SQL Dev DBA. Welcome in. Do you, by any chance, do SQL? What is it saying here? Missing from clause entry for table C. Oh, yeah, okay, because we changed these. Of course. I mean, you know, SQL Dev DBA doesn't necessarily mean that you do SQL. Could be anything else. Okay. I love this. Now we have, for each day, we have like a super Cartesian join. And now what we can do is do just a small amount. Just a teeny tiny little bit of SQL. Hey, this is a great opportunity. This is a great opportunity. SQL Dev DBA. Have you ever, in your entire career as a SQL Dev, have you ever used a right join? Like in a real context, not as a meme. Like for a real situation. Have you ever used a right join? Never. Listen to this, chat. SQL Dev, never. Full outer yes, but never right.
Wow.
13 years of experience.
Garbage.
Hi, Steel Toad, on the first try. There you go. There you go, chat. I have nothing more to say on the matter. So, here's the thing now. Now we have, for each day,
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
no, it's not. It's Analyst Builder. Don't be silly, chat. So here's what we have now, okay? I want you to see this, chat. Look at this. Look at this data structure and look at this data structure and find the difference. I'm just a scrub. Don't take my word for it. Oh, please. Your cake versus pie looks more simple. I bet it does. I bet it does. But I've solved it the most beautiful way possible. Now, I can compare directly here. I can say, case when max cake sold, case when. Oh, I can also distinct this just to make it a bit nicer. So case when cake sold is greater than pie sold. I guess I don't need the prefixes for this. Then cake sold minus pie sold. Else pie sold minus cake sold. And as, what's this called? Diff? Sales diff. Order by date sold. Okay. Sales diff 12. Fine. Now we just need to add. Output should include the date sold, the difference between cakes and pies, and which one sold more. Copy this. Easy peasy. Cake when cake sold is greater than, then cake. Else pie. And as best seller. Comma? Missed one. If cake sold is greater than... Also, MS Copilot makes us doing this completely irrelevant. Yep. Wait, did you use MS Copilot to solve it? The output should include the date sold, the difference between cakes and pies, and which one sold more, cake or pie. The difference should be a positive number. Steel Toad, thanks very much for the follow. Welcome into you as well. You got some extra flashes there. Why is this not? Date sold difference sold more? Is it because the... Why doesn't it accept this? It's literally the same answer. Ah, because it's not the total. It's not the total. Yeah, you're right. It's not the difference between... Hold on. The difference between cakes and pies. Write a query to report the difference between the number of cakes and pies sold each day. I'm missing some results. I am, but why? Why am I missing something? Ah, we missed the null. Yeah, we missed the null. SQL Dev DBA knows what's up. Case when, case when, we have to account for when pie sold is not null. Oh, you know what we can do actually? Easier. Coalesce Because it's actually, they are a real null. Huh. I think I placed that one wrong. But if the amount was 0, my where clause might be causing my things to be oh, the where might be a problem. The where might be an issue. I could just max the sales diff per day. In theory. In theory. Because we could just copy this. It's not very elegant, but it is a way to do it. And then oh no, I wanted this as sold more. No wait, sales diff has to be middle. Sorry, wait. Okay, we could max the sales diff. And then slap a group by in there. There will still be nulls. My runtime is 0.38 seconds. This is annoying me now. It's actually a really dumb problem. .024 seconds. But I feel like I over-engineered it again. I over-engineered it again, I guess. Because the original dataset looks like this. Date sold, product, amount sold. I feel like there's probably a better way to do it. There's probably a better way to do it. Subtract the cake by the pie. You can use absolute to make the number show the absolute difference. Absolute. You were right about absolute. Because then you don't have a negative number. But the 5th day is not showing up. And the 5th day, pi is null. So pi is null. And it's not showing up. Maybe this needs to be an OR. Ah, the sales dip is null because the pi sold for that day is 0. That's an easy fix. It's right here. You coalesce this to 0. Up here. That's the easy fix for it. Because then on days where it's null, on day where they didn't sell anything, that's the easy fix. And that should be it. There you go. 0.1. 0.0. Oh! Novice! Level up. Thank you, SQL Dev. And everybody else in chat. I appreciate you. Was that the last one? No, there's another hard exercise. Kelly's third purchase at Kelly's ice cream shop. Oh no, I want ice cream now. I want ice cream. Okay, chat.
And Secretary Cardona and Mayor Bowser and Chancellor
Let's do
Fairley.
this.
You know, thank you for joining us as well. And for families across the country.
Kelly gives a 33% discount on each customer's third purchase. Write a query to select the third transaction for each customer that received that discount. Output the customer ID, transaction ID, amount, and the amount after the discount as discounted amount. Okay. The third transaction. That sounds like a rank. Transaction IDs occur sequentially. The lowest transaction ID is the earliest. Ah. Okay. Customer ID, transaction ID. You can just rank. Over partition by customer ID as trans number. Maybe we do TRX number, it's shorter. And then we do $33% discount on each customer's third purchase. Transaction number, amount. Syntax error. Yeah,
Can't do it.
I mean,
We'll do it live.
why is it?
We'll do it live. Fuck it.
I mean,
Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
customer ID, transaction ID, partition by customer ID from purchases. What's the error? I don't understand. What's the error? Also, hi Forex, good to see you lurking today. What is the error? Rank? Oh, we can't rank. Sorry. We can't rank stuff. Okay, customer ID 1001. Amount. Order by transaction ID. So, customer number 1001. Their third one is 94. You probably do need a CT for this, Ginny. I don't think you can solve this without a CT. Because what you need to do now is you need to do select star from purchases. You need to do customer ID case when. Oh wait. Left join. Hold on a second. Write a query to select the third transaction that received that discount. Output customer ID, transaction amount, and the amount after the discount. We can just do an inner join. Inner join. I'm gonna snooze the ad for 5 minutes. Give us a bit more time. Hi, Dev Panda. Inner join CTE. P C on C dot customer ID. And what you can do here to make your life a little bit easier, select star from. I don't want to do a having rank, that's why I'm doing it that way. Where TRX number equals 3. I could do it later, but I'll just do it there. A bit easy. Left outer join is the only true join. We just asked Dev Panda, is very interesting. We just asked SQL Dev DBA, who has been writing SQL for 13 years, whether they have ever used a right join. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what they said? What about the customer's 6th purchase? Write a query to select the third transaction for each customer. On each customer's 3rd purchase. Only the 3rd. Not every 3, only the 3rd. I'm writing a new article about referral spam in GA4, so I'll take a moment to watch the stream. Ah. They didn't say only to upset people. They said never in 13 years have they used a right join. Customer ID dot P dot customer ID. P dot customer ID. Case when. Customer ID P dot. Actually, we can take everything from. Why am I rejoining? Hold on a second. Why am I even joining? I don't need to do this. Customer ID. TRX number. Amount. And then 33% discount. How do they want us to apply the 33% discount? Times 0.67. Fine. That's fine for me. It's good enough. The solution doesn't use a CT or a join, just a subquery. Of course it does. Oh, we have to order it? Order the customer ID in ascending order. Huh? Order output on customer ID in ascending order. Write a query to select the third transaction. Output the customer ID, transaction ID, amount, and amount after discount. Transaction ID. Oh, they want the ID of the transaction. Oops. Transaction ID. Wonderful. So their solution doesn't use a CT, it just uses nested, right? And they used row number. Well, sure, you can do that. Row number over partition. I suppose. Row number is more correct because rank could have duplicates. I'm done with my temporary seat. I can't wait till my Aaron gets back tomorrow. Have a good one, Ginny. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate that. So I now have, how many points do I have? 630 points. And I have done all the questions in easy, moderate, and hard. This is the Alex the Analyst thing. That's right, Data Basics. Hi. I've done all of them except the very hard exercises. So I think you know what that means. No, we can't access them? Yeah, dense rank, exactly. Dense rank would give us non-dupes. Rank would give us dupes. Oh, I can't access the very hard exercise. It's not free. Oh, no. Okay. I see. Wait, but that means... Hold on a second. That means I've cleared the entire free content in 3 hours? Oh no. Hold on. Does that mean... Oh no. I literally cleared the entire free content in 3 hours. Wow. Well, that's it then. That's the whole stream. That's the stream, chat. Nothing else to say. Honestly, the platform's great. I did have some criticism against the platform, but overall, this is a really good platform. I like the questions. It's like Data Lemur. I don't know if you're familiar with Data Lemur. Data Lemur also has questions, except Data Lemur doesn't have dark mode, so obviously we prefer Analyst Builder. I can't speak to the quality of the courses or anything like that, but yeah, these two are definitely quite similar. Want challenge suggestions? What do you mean, XC? Hi Marble, by the way, good to see you. And no, I'm not exactly slow. Like, I've been writing SQL for a fair amount of time, so yeah, I think it's time to raid. It's time to raid. I mean, it is 11:15, so let's take a look. Twitch sexual culture. I love this. It's great. Twitch sexual culture. Let's see. Ooh, someone doing squeal. I saw squeal. Where was it? Squealing till assessment. Raid Shadow Legends. Ah, yes, non-codes. Non-codes is learning squeal. We've raided non before, though. Maybe there's another target. Let me go to the end scene for a sec here. Co-working recording, that's Baldbeard Builder.
And Secretary Cardona and
I really want to
Mayor
get my ice
Bowser
cream.
and Chancellor Farabee.
I really want to get ice cream, but I don't know where to get ice cream.
And for families across the country.
But thank you all for joining today. That was pretty cool. That was good fun today. As I said, Friday will be
Garbage.
Friday will not be garbage. How dare you? How dare you? Friday will not be garbage. Friday will be full of fun and fun times. Oh, JD's on. Did JD just get raided? JD just got raided by Fixit. Nice. Okay, JD just got raided. Who else was here? Oh, yeah. We're gonna raid YK. We're gonna raid YK. This is a really cool guy. He's a really nice guy. He's building a very interesting product. So yeah. Maybe I should switch to a light theme when watching Maddie. How dare you? How dare you? I look forward to seeing all of you on Friday. I'm going to be doing some fun stuff for Easter, like a sort of special stream kind of thing. So I look forward to seeing all of you. And hi Chedev. Yeah, let's extend the warmest of welcomes to YK Dojo. His YouTube channel has 2 million subs, by the way. So James Quick has 200k, of course. 200k subs, but yeah.
And Secretary Cardona and
Are you dropping the ice cream?
And Chancellor Fairby. You know,
Forex, we might be
joining
able
us
to
as
talk
well.
about future stuff. I don't
And
know
for families
exactly.
across the country.
I'm not sure. It's still in planning. I don't know. But we'll see each other hopefully on Friday. You know, enjoy your week. Maybe you have a shorter week. I don't know. Because I have Friday off. I've got Monday off. So let's do some stuff together. And yeah, we'll see each other on Friday hopefully. And if not, well, we'll see you on the flip side of the weekend. Yeah. Good stream today. Look forward to seeing you all whenever. Now I can't access the raid button anymore. I have to just let it raid out on its own. And I don't really have any interesting things to say now. I've already said goodbye, you know? So I can't press the button. Thanks, Twitch. I really don't know what to say. You know? I'm just gonna let the timer go out.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.